Alright, in this video we're going to talk about how to add your member business profile in this section of the website. So you're going to log into the administration panel for the website at westvancouverbusinessalliance.com/wp-admin, and you should have been issued a username and password to do that. And once you're inside, you're going to see a screen that looks very much like this. And you're going to come over here to the Pages menu and hit Add New. Okay. Now you want to, where it says Enter Title here, you want to place the name of your business. And then hit OK. And you'll see that this permalink comes up, westvancouverbusinessalliance.com/geniusnetpreneurs, and we're going to come over here to the parent section, and we're going to make this underneath the member business profiles. So you're going to choose member business profiles as the parent. Okay, and now I'm just going to hit Save Draft. And when I save that as a draft, you can see now it's inserted that parent in the path. Okay, westvancouverbusinessalliance.com/member-business-profiles/geniusnetpreneurs. So that will happen automatically. All right, now this space is where you can write about your business. You can insert photos, you can insert videos, you can create hyperlinks. So I'm just going to write a little bit of text here. And I will pause the video while I'm writing the text, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I've got a little bit of text here in my profile, and the rest of the video I'm going to show you how to add some links, add some pictures, and kind of format it up the way that you want it to look. Okay, so for right now, let me save this as a draft, and then we can preview it to see what it looks like now. Alright, so it opened here in this preview window. Okay, so pretty simple right now. I've just got some basic text and website, phone number, email. Okay, so we're just going to kind of pretty it up a little bit. So the first thing you might want to do is actually add a live link to your website. So where I've listed the website, I'm going to highlight this text, and I'm going to click on this link button, and then I'm going to, I was trying to be fancy, okay, I'm going to type in the URL. Okay, geniusnetpreneurs.com, and then hit insert. Okay, so that has turned blue. Now a couple other things you might want to do is I've included here Genius Netpreneurs is co-owned by Andrea Kropp and Vanessa Duplessis. I'm going to go ahead and link these to our blog home pages. So I'm going to link my name to my home page, and I'm going to link Vanessa's name to her home page. Insert. Okay, good. And what have I got at the top here? Genius Netpreneurs offers internet marketing coaching and training to small business owners. Our mission is to empower entrepreneurs to be self-sufficient in their online marketing efforts. Don't hire an expensive SEO or web design company without reading our free Web Marketing Secrets ebook. Okay, so I want to actually provide a link here for the Web Marketing Secrets ebook so that people know that when they click on that, they can go pick it up. And I'm going to link this to just our home page because the ebook is available right on the home page. Alright, so now I'm going to hit Save Draft, and then I can preview this again. And okay, that looks good. So now you can see when I mouse over these that they become underlined, and if you look down here in the lower left, you'll see what destination each of those links are pointing at. So that looks good. So the last thing I might want to do is, change the fonts, change the colors a little bit. The font size is something that's controlled globally on the website, and I'm going to be bumping up the font size in a little bit as I continue the setup. But there's a little button here that says Show Hide the Kitchen Sink, and so if you click on that, that's going to expand out a whole bunch of other options that you're familiar with seeing, including underlining the text or changing the text color. So for example, or bold. So I could maybe just make this bold: internet marketing and coaching. That's kind of our core thing. And then maybe maybe I want to make the website, the phone, and the email a bulleted list. So I could highlight those and then just click on the bulleted list. And now I'll save draft and preview. So I hope you're realizing that creating web pages is not really that different from creating Word documents. So okay, we've got Internet Marketing Coaches bold now, and these things are in bullets. Okay, so that looks good. The last thing we might want to do is insert a logo for your business or some other photos. So let me just do that. I'm going to click here in front of Genius Netpreneurs, and I'm going to go click on this button, which is for inserting an image, that kind of rectangle there. And I'm going to go find our logo. Some draft logos. Here we go, logo, clear background. Alright, and it's going to give you a couple choices on if you want to put that in the left, center, or right. And right now I'm going to pick right. I'm going to leave it on medium size, and I'm going to click Insert to Post. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to save that as a draft and preview. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I think I may actually move the logo down underneath the bullets, but I'm planning to come back and add some more text to this profile later. This was just for the training purposes. So if I'm happy with it for the time being, I'm going to click on Publish. And that should now be live on this URL, and I can copy it and come over here and paste it in just to test it out. Yep, that looks good. And before I leave this training page, since many of you won't have your own blog pages to link to here, let me give you one other suggestion for what you can do. So in the West Vancouver Business Alliance structure, we have a section for member business profiles, and we have a section for entrepreneur profiles. So what I would suggest you do with linking your name is link between your entrepreneur profile and your member business profile. So I can go to the entrepreneur profiles, and my entrepreneur profile is at this URL. Okay, so over here, when I was linking on my name, I could also, let me highlight that and press link. Instead of linking to my blog, I could also just link over to my entrepreneur profile. So I'm just copying this URL because it's kind of long and I don't want to retype it. And I'm going to paste it right in there and hit update and update. So here's my let me go back to the member business profiles. Okay, and so now when I mouse over my name, you can, when you look down here in the lower left, it's going to my, this link is now pointing at my entrepreneur profile. And I could do the same thing here with my business name. I could link it back over to the business profile page if I wanted to. So every member in West Vancouver Business Alliance, you should have 2 different pages in the system. And then the last thing I need to show you how to do is how to actually make your business show up in the drop-down menus here. So let me save that for the last recording.